Good morning, everyone. My name is Devanshi Singh. I study in Balwati Cover and today I will be narrating a story, and the name of the story is Happy. Once upon a time, a crow looked at the sun and thought, how beautiful the sun is. It has all white feathers. It has all white feathers. But crow only black. Next, the crow approached the swan. He simply said, no, Parrot has more beautiful bird. It has two colors. Next, the crow approached the parrot. He simply said, no. Parrot, Peacock has more beautiful bird.
Peacock.
And he has only multicolors. Next, the crow approved the peacock. He simply said, my dear crow, you are the luckiest bird of this planet. Because of my beauty, I am trapped in the cage and you are free. All during this, the crow thought how she had been. And
Foolish.
the crow thought how she had been.
Foolish.
How she had been. And thanking God for making him the way he was. The way he was. Moral. The moral of the story is not compare yourself.
Compare नहीं.
Not compare yourself.
Not नहीं. Don't.
Don't compare yourself to others. Be happy to what you are and what you have. Bye bye.
उसके बाद एक लाइन और बोलना है.
Did you like my story? Yes or no?
ये लाइन बहुत